Welcome back, Python enthusiasts, to day 65 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're continuing our journey with Django and exploring some advanced features. We'll be covering custom template tags and filters, handling user-uploaded files, and implementing user profiles with social authentication. Let's dive in. Django's templating system is powerful, and sometimes you need more than the built-in tags and filters. That's where custom template tags and filters come in. They allow you to add custom logic directly in your templates. In your Django app, create a template tags directory with an __init__.py and a custom _tags.py file. Define a custom filter. Use the filter in a template. Here, we created a simple custom filter that multiplies a value by a given argument. Custom tags and filters are great for adding reusable logic across your templates. Next, let's handle user-uploaded files. This is essential for many web applications, such as allowing users to upload profile pictures or documents. Update the model. Update the form. Update the view. Update the template. With these steps, users can upload files to your Django application, and you can easily manage them using Django's built-in file handling features. Lastly, let's implement user profiles and social authentication. Django provides excellent tools for this, and we'll use the Django Allauth package to enable login through social platforms like Google, GitHub, and more. Install Django Allauth. Update settings. Configure URLs. Create user profile. By following these steps, you can enable social authentication in your Django app, making it easier for users to sign up and log in with their favorite social accounts. Plus, you can extend the user model with additional profile fields like bios and profile pictures. That's a wrap for day 65. Today, we explored some advanced Django features, custom template tags and filters, handling user uploads, and implementing user profiles with social authentication. These tools are essential for creating rich, user-friendly web applications. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss tomorrow's lesson. Keep coding, and see you tomorrow for day 66.